Thinking about relocating your vehicle to London? Whether it's a personal car or a special import, shipping a vehicle overseas involves multiple steps. Today we'll walk you through the entire process: cost estimates, shipping methods, regulations, and what happens when your car arrives in London. Here are some real-world estimates for shipping a car to London. Many dedicated container shipments run around $2,100 to $3,500 depending on origin, service type, and vehicle size. Transit time from major U.S. ports typically ranges from 22 to 34 days for ocean freight to the UK coast. First step, request a detailed quote that outlines origin, container, or roll-on roll-off method, destination port, and delivery details. Next, prepare your car, clean it, record its condition with photos, remove personal items, reduce fuel level, and ensure you have title, registration, and export documentation. Then, confirm both pickup location and delivery address in London, and ask about local port clearance and delivery logistics. Once your car arrives, it must clear UK customs and meet UK regulations. This may include safety, emissions, and lighting standards. At delivery, inspect your vehicle carefully and compare its condition to your pre-shipping photos. Then arrange final delivery from the port to your London address and confirm transport arrangements and timing. Before you ship, ensure you lock in your ship date early, purchase comprehensive transit insurance, confirm pickup and delivery addresses and details, and plan ahead for UK registration, local driving rules, and any modifications needed for compliance in London. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like this video, subscribe for more international car shipping guides, and click the bell for new updates.